guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is 𝐿𝐻𝐻. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the post notification bell down below to be notified of all of my future uploads. Now, I get a lot of beautiful things that comes in my office every single day that I get to look at and play with and customize. But y'all, I gotta tell you, it's something different about this wig. It's something really different about this wig. It's flawless. So let's jump straight into it. This wig is from WowAfrican. I'll have all of their information, the promo codes, and the direct links down below in the description box. The wig that I received is a 13x6 Yaki straight lace front wig. The length is 20 inches. The hairline is already fully customized for us, so we don't have to do any extra work. Like, who doesn't want to get their hands on a wig that you have to do no work to? So excited about this video. The texture is flawless. The wig is flawless. I am going to tint the lace, but this step is always optional. I know a lot of people use bald cap methods to adhere their wigs down or to install their wigs. I choose not to do the bald cap method, so I do tint the lace on my wigs. I do use two different colors of lace tint. The first color is the color of my foundation, and now I'll be spraying that along the hairline portion of this lace frontal. Second color is the color of my scalp, which I'll be spraying on the inner portion of the lace frontal. I'm doing two different layers of each color of lace tint and then blow drying in between each layer for a perfect color match. Okay, so let's jump straight into styling. I am going to cut face framing layers onto this wig so that it can have those beautiful cascading curls. So it did take me a little bit of time to get the exact shape that I was going for, but I wanted some beautiful cascading curls. That was my vision when I saw this wig. So this is how the cut ended up coming out. I am so blown away by the texture, the hairline, the fullness, everything about this wig. I wonder how this wig would look with kinky edges. Do you think that they should come out with this version of hair in this Yaki texture with kinky edges? Comment down below. Okay, so moving on to styling the hair, I'm just going to grab my BioSilk's Silk Infusion Hair Serum, apply that to the hair, and then in sections, I'm going to start to curl the hair out of my face. And because this hair is a Yaki texture, I want to make sure that I am spraying each curl with that hairspray, just to make sure that the hair holds the curls. So now that I am at the front of the head, I'm going to grab this hair wax stick from 𝐃𝐄𝐈𝐑, apply that to the parting space just to define the parting space a little bit more. And then I am also going to apply it to the hairline of the wig. I'm using my pressing comb just to go over and smooth everything into place. Every single week I am touching so much hair on a weekly basis, but I was blown away by this wig. I'm not really impressed by most wigs. There are a few that are like diamonds, right? This one right here, y'all, definitely a diamond. All right, so now I'm just going to grab the wig and I'm going to place it on my head, but I'm going to make sure that I take full advantage of that elastic band in the back. I'm going to put the elastic band on first and then stretch the wig forward, and now I am just making sure that everything is lined up in its proper placement. So the ear tabs, the back comb, as well as the parting space in the front. Now that everything is lined up, I'm going to take a look at the hairline and see if there's anything I want to do. Add baby hairs, don't add baby hairs, add adhesive, don't add adhesive. I'm just trying to come up with a plan from here. What do you think I should do with this wig? I think it's pretty flawless, just like this. Absolutely flawless. I want to wear this wig glueless, but because of my hairline shape and the wig's hairline shape, I do need extra security because the ear tabs are going to be flopping everywhere. So I am going to only spray Wonder Lace Bond to the ear tabs on the right and left of my head, but nowhere else. And now I'm just showing you guys that there's only adhesive where my ears are. The rest is completely glueless. If you do have a hairline that matches this wig flawlessly, you don't have to wear any adhesive on the left and right sides, but because my hairline does show through, I had to have extra security. Then I did add some baby hairs onto this wig just because my hairline was showing a little bit more, but pretty, I was about to say pretty effing flawless, but pretty flawless, y'all. What do you think of this hairline? Let's chat down below in the comment section. For there not to be any adhesive on my forehead, I am saying that this is pretty flawless. It's melting and disappearing into my skin. Wow. Blown away. If you are blown away too, don't forget to leave a comment and thumbs up this video, and also check out that link down below. I'll have all of their information, the promo codes, and the direct links to this wig from WowAfrican down below. So of course, check it out and see what is available for you. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Give this video a huge thumbs up and comment so that I know you stopped by, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
Yeah, that's right. It's 𝐵𝐄𝐿𝐒.